Did you know that this tiny seed right here could be your secret weapon for burning fat fast? That's right! Flax seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that help speed up weight loss, boost metabolism, and keep cravings under control. But how do they actually work? And what's the best way to use them for fast results? Stick around because in this video, we're diving deep into how flax seeds help burn fat naturally and how you can start seeing results. Number 1. What makes flax seeds a superfood for weight loss? Alright, let's break it down. Flax seeds are loaded with fiber, keeps you full longer and reduces cravings. Omega-3 fatty acids helps burn fat by reducing inflammation. Lignans, a powerful antioxidant that supports metabolism. Protein essential for fat loss and muscle preservation. Studies show that high-fiber diets help with lower calorie intake by keeping you satisfied longer. And just 2 tablespoons of flax seeds contain about 6 grams of fiber. Number 2. How flax seeds burn fat naturally. So how exactly do flax seeds help burn fat? Let's break it down into 3 main ways. 1. Flax seeds control hunger and cravings. Ever felt like you're hungry all the time? Flax seeds are rich in soluble fiber which slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours. This means fewer cravings, less snacking, and ultimately, fewer calories consumed. Pro tip: try adding ground flax seeds to your breakfast smoothie or oatmeal. It's an easy way to stay full until lunch. 2. Boosts metabolism and fat burning. Metabolism is the engine that burns calories, and flax seeds help speed it up. The omega-3s in flax reduce inflammation, which allows your body to burn fat more efficiently. Plus, the lignans in flax seeds may also improve how your body processes fat. Studies show that omega-3s help your body shift from fat storage mode to fat burning mode. 3. Regulates blood sugar to prevent fat storage. When your blood sugar is unstable, your body stores more fat, but flax seeds help slow down sugar absorption, preventing those energy crashes that lead to binge eating and sugar cravings. Best time to eat flax seeds? Morning, keeps cravings away all day. Before meals, slows sugar spikes. At night, supports digestion overnight. I know how hard it can be to stay motivated when you're doing everything right, yet the scale just won't budge. Trust me, you're not alone. But what if you had that extra push, something to support your body's natural fat-burning process? That's where Mitolyn comes in. It's designed to help you break through plateaus, boost metabolism, and finally see the results you deserve. If you're ready to take your weight loss to the next level, check out the link in the description below, because you are capable of so much more than you think. Now, number 3. Best ways to use flax seeds for fat loss. Now that we know how flax seeds help burn fat, let's talk about the best ways to use them in your diet. Here are my top 4 methods. 1. Flaxseed detox water. This is a game changer for digestion and belly fat loss. Just soak 1 tablespoon of flax seeds in a glass of water overnight and drink it in the morning. It flushes out toxins and boosts metabolism. 2. Flaxseed smoothie for weight loss. Blend 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with banana, spinach, almond milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. Boom! You've got a metabolism-boosting smoothie. 3. Flaxseed tea for fat burn. Flaxseed tea helps curb appetite and improve digestion. Just boil a teaspoon of flax seeds in water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. 4. Flaxseed with yogurt or oatmeal. One of my favorite ways is mixing flax seeds with Greek yogurt or oatmeal. It's a perfect high-protein, high-fiber meal to keep you full longer. Number 4. Common mistakes and side effects to avoid. Before you start using flax seeds, make sure you avoid these common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Eating too much too soon. Flax seeds are high in fiber, so start with just 1 teaspoon per day and gradually increase. Too much too fast can cause bloating. Mistake number 2. Not drinking enough water. Fiber absorbs water, so make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water daily when consuming flax seeds. Mistake number 3. Using whole flax seeds instead of ground. Whole flax seeds pass through your system undigested. Always grind them first to get the full benefits. Final tips to get the best results. Use consistently, at least 4 to 5 times a week. Pair with a healthy diet. Avoid processed junk. Exercise regularly. Flax seeds boost metabolism, but movement helps burn more calories. If you're ready to burn fat naturally, add flax seeds to your meals starting today. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding Mitolyn to their diet. They've lost inches, controlled cravings, and felt more energized. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing weight loss tips. See you in the next video.